Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Subaru Legacy brake pads. First, gather your essential tools, including a reliable jack, sturdy jack stands, and a lug wrench. You will also need new brake pads, a C-clamp or caliper press, and some brake cleaner. Always ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface and the parking brake is fully engaged before you begin any work. Safety is paramount when working under your car. Next, with the car safely supported on jack stands, you can fully remove the lug nuts and take off the wheel. This gives you clear access to the brake assembly. Identify the two caliper guide pin bolts, usually located on the back of the caliper. Carefully remove these bolts, then gently lift the entire caliper assembly off the brake rotor. Remember to support the caliper so it doesn't hang by the brake line. Now, remove the old brake pads from the caliper bracket and take off any anti-rattle clips. Before installing the new pads, use a C-clamp or a dedicated caliper press to slowly and fully compress the caliper piston back into its housing. This creates space for the thicker new pads. Install the new pads and clips, then carefully reattach the caliper, ensuring the guide pin bolts are tightened to specification. Finally, reinstall the wheel, hand-tighten the lug nuts, and carefully lower your Subaru Legacy. Once on the ground, fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm, restoring proper brake pressure. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Take a short test drive at low speed to ensure everything feels right.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.